Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting inside Settings. Tap your name to access Apple ID controls now. Once done, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password so you can see sensitive details. Next, select Payment and Shipping. If you don't see it, open App Store, tap your profile, then Manage Payments. This gives you direct access to billing methods and addresses. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active, so the device can fetch the latest account data before you continue. Now inspect the list of payment methods. The top entry is your default billing card. Tap a method to view full details like card number, suffix, and billing address. To change an address, select Edit next to Shipping or Payment and type the corrected fields. Once saved, Apple will use that info for purchases and subscriptions. If you need a new card, choose Add Payment Method and enter the card or PayPal credentials. Once added, you can reorder or remove methods for future charges. Finish by tapping Done and then return to App Store or Settings to confirm your changes are applied. Try a small free download or check a subscription charge to verify. If your billing country changed, update your Apple ID country first because payment options depend on region. If a card fails, contact your bank to confirm international and merchant permissions. As a last resort, sign out of your Apple ID on the device and sign back in. That often forces a sync that resolves stale billing errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.